Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z10 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off dialpad tone in your phone iQOO Z10 5G. First of all, go to the dialing keypad, and if you dial numbers here, some sound will be listening. Sound will be hearable. Okay, see. So if you would like to turn off this dialpad tone, yes, you can do it. What you have to do, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select dialpad tones. Okay, just turn off this button so that you will not get any dialpad tone. See, now I type, there is no sound. So in this way, you can easily turn off dialpad tone in your phone iQOO Z10 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.